Hello guys, my name is Shadow John and I'm confused. Sabaton-A secret. 40 seconds. I thought this was 3-minute song. Let's see what it is.
Hostile armies may face each other for years, striving for the victory which is decided in a single day.
Okay. Pause.
Illegal download detected. Executing spyware protocol 666.
Satan's code. Right. Amazing. I don't know what's happening. Okay, I will go with Nature of Warfare as well. This is 1 minute?
Water shapes its course according to the nature of the ground over which it flows. The soldier works out his victory in relation to the foe whom he is facing.
I mean, it sounds
Therefore,
cool.
just as water retains no constant shape, in warfare, there are no constant conditions.
Well, that was a nice trap. Don't know what to say. Oh man. They fucking tricked me.